Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to make millions. Okay, you can make thousands of naira, you can make millions of naira from this 86 FB football. Okay, this is a betting site. Okay, it's also actually a trade site. Okay, where you bet your money. Okay, that we give you good signals on a daily basis. Okay, now when you use those signals, okay, that will give you trade with us properly and you make money there on daily basis. Okay, you don't make mistakes. Okay, when you follow us and you follow our signal that we give on a daily basis, we usually give signals, okay, 3 times in a day. Okay, and you make money completely for those systems. Is always successful. So I urge everyone, okay, to sign up and register, okay, and start making money. I'll make another video on how to deposit, and I'm sure you currently have traded so many trades as you can see here on this event result. These are the trades I have traded so far, and I've made money from it. Okay, and then as you can see, this is my account balance, and so I've made serious money from it, and we withdraw. Okay, we make serious cash and we withdraw. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, before you sign up, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. At least I need like 100 subscribers first, so help me with that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the like button. Okay, give me a thumb up like button there. Okay, and then turn on all the notifications so that when I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first, okay, to be notified. As you can see, we have a whole lot of this is a very good platform where people are withdrawing daily. Okay, thank you guys, as I'll be shooting more videos on this platform. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.